Chris, I have been really wanting us to film that black Nissan outside.
All right.
Could today be the day?
Let me turn around. You do what you want to do. I'm gonna grab it.
You go grab it for me?
I'll go grab it.
We gotta see it, because this is a cool car.
It's a neat car.
Let's go check it out.
All right,
let's do it. All right, everybody, so for quite some time now, I have been asking Chris over and over, can we film this Nissan? First off, Chris has got a passion like no other for Nissan products, so we always keep a few of these sports cars here at Southern Motor Company. So, we got a guy that's actually been really hot on buying this vehicle. He's kind of been waiting for us to get it completely finished and cleaned up and everything. And with that being said, today's the day to get the ball rolling on it. And man, oh man, I'm telling you, this is gonna be exciting. So, with no further ado, let's wait for Chris to pull over in this car and let's check it out. He got the wrong one! Chris, no. What? We love the Nissan GTR, but that's not the car to actually be doing this on. Go get the other one, man. You know, he knows which car I'm talking about.
My new project.
Yes, the project car. Oh my God. Now that is an awesome car too, and it's actually for sale right now, believe it or not, if you're looking for a GTR. But just hang with us for one more second. Yes, that's the car we're talking about. Now let Chris come over here for a minute and give you a little information about this old school beauty.
So about 5 or 6 months ago, we bought this car. And out back, we're at stage to go to detail. We went out to it one day, it wouldn't crank. Couldn't figure out why, didn't know why. Got busy. COVID happened. Different auctions had to happen. I had to travel out of town a little more often to buy more cars. That car just kind of got put in the back burner. Eric fooled with it for a little while, trying to figure out why it wouldn't crank. Plenty of power. It ran fine. We put it where we put it at. Turns out the clutch pad, when you depress the clutch, wasn't engaging and allowing the starter to engage. Simple fix, back the way she's supposed to be. Meanwhile, she sat under dust and debris in a tree for about 5 or 6 months. Still dries as good the day we got it. It's dirty as can be. The air works, the heat works, the wipers work. Apparently the T-top doesn't even leak. It is dry as can be in here. Has no moldy smell. And really, when these cars were new, they still had they still leaked. It's just what T-tops do. It happens. But what we're gonna do is, I'm happy to have it in this condition, so we can kind of do like a before and after video, because I got my background from detailing cars, and this car is going to look awesome when it's complete. And in fact, when we got the car, the day we got the car, I cleaned the motor, drove around some more, didn't touch it. I knew I was going to have to probably get working on it a week later. The engine compartment got cleaned. It's dirty again, but that got done. She runs like she should. Air's cool. It's got 120,000 miles, a light exhaust. It's really not modified. It's got aftermarket wheels that look kind of period correct. I think this car is gonna be $6,000, $6,500. I mean, there weren't many cars cooler than a 300Z in the 90s. You know, they were cool in the 80s, they were cool in the 90s. So that's the story of this car. You'll probably be able to shoot some photos and some video of cleanup, seats getting clean, just the basics. I'll probably buff a few fenders myself. Harry and the guys are gonna make her look right. But we've been talking about doing a little video of this car, kind of a before and after, and I haven't let anybody washed it or touched it to clean it. You know, we could say the paint's preserved under here right now. The paint is an older repaint. It's not perfect, but it's not that bad. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the link and love, or however it is you say what you say. And I know you're gonna probably edit most of the stuff anyways. But it is a manual. Mileage is 120. It is correct. The odometer and trip odometer do work as they should. Just a neat Z car, unmolested, if you will, for about $6 grand. So it might be less than that. That's about what I own. That's a little more than I own her for. While I was over at Auto House, they did fix that clutch pad. I know we had a fresh water pump installed while it was there.
All right, everybody, so you got to hear some stuff from Chris about the 300ZX. And we're going to go ahead and walk around it, check it out a little bit, and let you see the vehicle before. And then we're going to kind of document some of the cleanup and all, and then after. So I hope everybody's excited to watch this with us today here at Southern Motor Company. So again, this is actually a 1996 Nissan 300ZX V6, all naturally aspirated under there. And, you know, like I continue to say, the body is actually in really good shape on her. She just really needs a good bath and wax and just a deep cleansing or deep cleaning, you know what I'm saying? But good looking wheels, tires got plenty of tread on them all the way around. It's black with a tan cloth interior. And, you know, Chris says that this right here actually has somewhat preserved the paint underneath it. How about that? But I can't wait to see this car actually get cleaned and see how he goes about getting all this off. I mean, just rubbing your finger on there, you can see some of it comes off. But I'm excited to see how we get it all off and really just bring the car's life back. So windshield's in good shape, mirrors. You know, there's a lot of things to be done for sure, but the thing is with this, you can buy this car at an attractive price and kind of do what you want to do with it once you get it. Let's keep moving through. Now, we did do a video of it, picking it up at the Auto House shop just a few days ago. So hopefully everybody enjoyed watching that. Gas doors right there. But let's take a look at the interior. You know, I don't know how in-depth Chris will get with fixing and you know, getting the car brought back to life, you know, because like you got this right here. We may have an interior guy stop by and see if they can fix that. But, you know, the main thing is just really getting her cleaned, getting the paint shining again, and really just cleaning up this interior as best as we can. Shampooing the carpets and all of that. But the car runs out well. I drove it from, you know, West Ashley all the way back up to North Charleston, got on the interstate, hit 70. Car drives smooth. You know, didn't have any issues with the brakes. Everything felt great. Steering was nice. Alignment was good. So either way, this car actually runs out really well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and dive into the next part of the video. That's getting this bad boy all cleaned up.